Hi guys, we're back at Holly's house. Today we're gonna work on this mantle and we're gonna put Easter decor on it. Thanks so much for coming along with me. Let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I've kept this same garland. This is from Kirkland's. I used 2 of them on here, and I'm also gonna reuse these same wood beads. So that's constantly gonna stay up here. I think it's really cute and it gives it a lot of different texture. So let's go ahead and start adding to it. Everything I bought today, everything I bought that's going in this video is from Hobby Lobby. I got 2 of these cute little garlands. I'm just gonna put them up here in this green garland and weave them in and out. Now I'm going to work on this corner part here and add some picks. So I've got one of these and one of these. And again, everything's from Hobby Lobby. And I really like the way this looks, so I'm just going to kind of hang it off there just like this. And there we have it for my Easter garland. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.